Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Noah and Allie, where confidence grows one conversation at a time. I'm Noah.
Hi, everyone. I'm Allie. I'm really happy you're here.
How have you been, Allie? It feels like it's been a busy week.
It really has, but it's been a good week. I've been looking forward to recording today's episode. How about you? How's everything going?
I'm doing well. Nothing too exciting happened today. I had a quiet morning, did a little reading, worked on a few things, and now I'm happy to be here.
Those are usually the best kinds of days. Sometimes a quiet day is exactly what we need.
I couldn't agree more. So, what are we talking about today?
Today's conversation is about grocery shopping.
That's something everyone can relate to, whether you enjoy shopping or just want to finish as quickly as possible.
I'm somewhere in the middle. Sometimes I enjoy walking around the store. Other times, I just want to get what I need and go home.
I think most people feel that way. So, what are you shopping for today?
I'm having a few friends over for dinner tonight. Nothing too fancy. I just want to cook a nice homemade meal and spend some time together.
That sounds lovely. Do you already know what you're going to make?
I'm deciding between pasta or grilled chicken with vegetables. Both sound good. I just haven't made my final decision yet.
Either one sounds delicious. I'm sure your friends will enjoy it.
I hope so. Now I just need to buy all the ingredients.
That shouldn't be too difficult. You brought your shopping list, didn't you?
Oh.
Uh-oh. That doesn't sound good.
I can't believe I did this. I left my shopping list at home.
Well, that wasn't part of the plan.
Not exactly.
Don't worry, we'll figure it out together. Let's start with the first section of the grocery store. When you think about making dinner, what's the very first thing you usually put into your cart?
I always start with the fruits and vegetables.
Fruits and vegetables are always a good place to start. Whenever I go grocery shopping, that's usually the first section I visit.
Me too. It feels like the freshest part of the store. Everything is so colorful.
All right, let's see how good your memory is. What's the first vegetable you need?
Let's see. Definitely onions. I use onions in almost everything I cook.
Good start. One item down. What comes next?
Tomatoes. I'm sure I need tomatoes.
You sound much more confident about that one.
Because I really like tomatoes. If I'm making pasta, they're always on my shopping list.
Do you prefer fresh tomatoes or canned tomatoes?
Usually fresh. I think they have a nicer flavor. What about you?
It depends on what I'm cooking. For pasta sauce, I don't mind using canned tomatoes, but for a salad, fresh tomatoes are much better.
I completely agree. Oh, and I also need garlic. I almost forgot.
See, we're making progress already.
Maybe forgetting my shopping list wasn't such a terrible idea after all.
Let's not say that too soon. We're only in the first aisle.
There's still plenty of time for me to forget something.
What about carrots? Do you need any?
Yes, a few carrots and some broccoli too.
Your dinner's sounding healthier and healthier.
I have to balance things out somehow.
Fair enough. Now, here's an important question. How do you choose your vegetables?
I usually look for ones that are fresh. I check the color and I make sure they don't look damaged.
I do exactly the same, especially with lettuce.
Why lettuce?
Because I've accidentally bought wilted lettuce before. By the time I got home, it looked very sad.
I think we've all done that at least once. Oh, I just remembered something else.
What is it?
Bell peppers, red ones. I almost forgot to add those.
Nice! Your memory is getting better. We already have quite a few ingredients in our shopping cart.
I feel like we're still missing something important.
Maybe we'll remember as we keep shopping. Let's leave the produce section and see what we find in the dairy aisle. All right, now we've arrived at the dairy section. Do you need any milk?
Yes, I think I do. Actually, I'm not sure which kind to buy.
Do you usually drink regular milk or something different?
Most of the time, I buy regular milk, but sometimes I like almond milk. It has a nice flavor.
I like almond milk too, especially with cereal.
I was just thinking about cereal. Now I'm getting hungry.
Shopping while you're hungry is always dangerous.
It really is. Somehow, everything starts to look delicious.
That's how people end up buying snacks they never planned to buy.
I've definitely done that before. I go in for 5 things and somehow leave with 15.
Oh, I think we've all been there. All right, besides milk, what else do you need?
Butter. Definitely butter. And I should probably get some cheese too.
What kind of cheese do you usually buy?
Cheddar most of the time. It's simple and it goes with so many meals. What about you?
I usually buy mozzarella, especially if I'm making pasta or pizza.
Now you're making me want pizza instead of pasta.
It's not too late to change your dinner plans.
No, I should stick with my original idea. My friends are probably expecting dinner, not a last-minute pizza delivery.
Oh, that's probably a good idea. So, what's next?
Bread. Let's stop by the bakery section.
I always enjoy walking past fresh bread. It smells amazing.
I know. Sometimes I want to buy a loaf even when I don't need one.
Do you prefer white bread, whole wheat, or something else?
Usually whole wheat. But if I'm making garlic bread, I like buying a fresh baguette.
That's a great choice. Fresh garlic bread is hard to resist.
Especially when it's still warm.
Now I'm hungry too. Maybe recording this episode before lunch wasn't the best idea.
We might end up going to a real grocery store after this.
I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see. We have vegetables, milk, butter, cheese, bread.
It feels like we're getting close, but there's one ingredient I still can't remember.
Don't worry. Sometimes it takes a little longer. Maybe the next aisle will help us remember. Okay, let's think carefully. What ingredient are we missing?
I know I wrote something down. It was for the sauce.
Something for the sauce? Maybe we should check the baking aisle. Sometimes seeing the products helps us remember.
Good idea. Let's look.
Here we are. There are so many things in this aisle.
I know. Every time I come here, I see something new.
That's the interesting thing about grocery stores. You can go for one item and suddenly find 10 other things.
That happens to me all the time.
Wait, what about flour? Do you need flour?
Yes, that's it. I need flour.
Great, we remembered another item.
I'm glad, but now I have another problem.
What happened?
There are so many different types. All-purpose flour, bread flour, cake flour. I don't know which one I need.
That's actually a good question. They look very similar.
Exactly. If you're not careful, you might buy the wrong one.
Have you ever bought the wrong product before?
Yes, once I bought baking soda instead of baking powder.
Really?
Yes, I didn't notice until I started cooking.
And what happened?
Let's just say the recipe didn't turn out the way I expected.
That's a good lesson. Always check the label.
Definitely.
If we're not sure about something, we can always ask someone.
You mean ask a store employee?
Yes, it's completely normal. People ask for help all the time.
You're right. A few years ago, I would have felt nervous doing that.
But now?
Now, I can do it.
Exactly. Let's imagine someone is nearby. What would you say?
Excuse me, could you help me find something?
Perfect. That's a very natural way to ask.
Then I would say, I'm looking for all-purpose flour. Do you know where I can find it?
That sounds very natural.
Thank you. I think we found it.
Nice. Now let's check our cart. Vegetables,
Yes.
milk,
Yes.
bread,
Yes.
flour.
Yes.
I think we have everything. And now comes the final step. Let's go pay for everything. When you get to the cashier, what do you think they'll say first?
Probably. Did you find everything you were looking for?
That's a common one. Sometimes they also ask, "How are you today?"
I like that. It's such a simple question, but it makes the store feel friendlier.
And after that, you might hear, "Would you like a bag?"
Or, will you be paying with cash or a card?
What do you usually use?
Almost always my card. It's just easier. What about you?
Usually my card too, although sometimes I still carry a little cash, just in case. Well, I hope dinner goes well tonight.
Thanks. I'm really looking forward to it. Good food, good friends. I think it'll be a really nice evening.
One last question.
Sure.
Who's doing the dishes?
Definitely not me. I'm cooking. Someone else can wash the dishes.
I was wondering if you'd say that.
That's the secret. If you cook, you shouldn't have to clean too.
I have a feeling a lot of our listeners would agree with you.
I hope so.
And to everyone listening, thank you for spending part of your day with us. We always enjoy these conversations, and we hope you enjoy them too.
If today's episode helped you learn a few new expressions or simply helped you relax while listening to English, that makes us very happy.
If you'd like to hear more everyday English conversations like this, we'd love to have you join us again.
And if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to English with Noah and Allie. We'd love to see you in our next conversation.
Until next time, take care of yourselves, keep enjoying English, one conversation at a time.
Bye, everyone.
See you in the next episode.